What if the next giant leap for humanity isn't just a step on the moon, but a journey to the farthest reaches of the cosmos? Imagine a future where we uncover the secrets of distant worlds, where the boundaries of our understanding are pushed beyond what we ever thought possible. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of 20 groundbreaking space missions that could redefine everything we know about the universe and our place within it. From peering into the birth of galaxies to searching for life on icy moons, these missions are not just about exploration, they're about rewriting the story of humanity itself. Stay with us as we dive into these incredible endeavors, each one holding the potential to change the course of history and unlock mysteries that have puzzled us for centuries. By the end of this video, you'll see why the future of space exploration is brighter and more thrilling than ever before. Let's begin. Now, let's turn our attention to the first mission on our list, one that's already reshaping our understanding of the universe, the James Webb Space Telescope. This isn't just another telescope, it's a game changer. Equipped with cutting-edge infrared technology, the James Webb Space Telescope allows us to see farther and clearer than ever before. Imagine looking back in time, capturing light from the earliest galaxies that formed just after the Big Bang. That's exactly what this incredible instrument is doing, giving us a front-row seat to the birth of stars and galaxies billions of years ago. But it doesn't stop there. The telescope is also revolutionizing our search for life beyond Earth. By analyzing the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, it can detect chemical signatures that might hint at habitability or even signs of life itself. From uncovering the origins of the cosmos to potentially answering one of humanity's biggest questions, are we alone? The James Webb Space Telescope is opening doors to discoveries that could redefine our place in the universe. And this is just the beginning. Moving forward, let's shift our gaze from the depths of space to a mission that's bringing humanity back to the moon, NASA Artemis Program. This isn't just about revisiting our celestial neighbor, it's about making history. For the first time, the Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the first person of color on the lunar surface, marking a monumental step toward inclusivity in space exploration. But Artemis is more than a symbolic achievement. It's a bold plan to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, laying the groundwork for what could become a lunar base. Imagine astronauts living and working on the moon, conducting experiments, and even extracting resources like water ice from its poles. These efforts aren't just about the moon itself. They're a critical stepping stone for humanity's next giant leap, Mars. By testing technologies and systems on the moon, NASA is preparing for the challenges of sending humans to the Red Planet. From inspiring a new generation of explorers to paving the way for interplanetary travel, the Artemis program is a mission that could redefine our future in space. And with each step, we're not just reaching for the stars, we're building a path to them. Now, let's turn our attention to a mission that could unlock some of the most profound mysteries of our solar system, the Mars Sample Return Mission. This ambitious endeavor is a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, and its goal is nothing short of extraordinary: to bring Martian soil and rock samples back to Earth for the first time in history. Imagine holding a piece of another planet in your hands. Scientists are on the verge of making that a reality. But why is this mission so groundbreaking? For starters, these samples could reveal critical details about Mars' geology, helping us understand how the planet formed and evolved over billions of years. They could also shed light on Mars' climate history, offering clues about whether the planet once had rivers, lakes, or even oceans. And perhaps most tantalizing of all, these samples might contain evidence of past or present life. While rovers like Perseverance are equipped with advanced tools to analyze Mars' surface, there's only so much they can do on their own. Bringing samples back to Earth allows scientists to use the most sophisticated laboratories and instruments available, opening up possibilities for discoveries that could rewrite our understanding of life beyond Earth. This mission isn't just about studying Mars, it's about piecing together the story of our solar system and potentially our own origins. As we prepare to bring a piece of the red planet home, we're not just exploring Mars, we're bringing its secrets to light. Now, shifting our gaze to the outer reaches of our solar system, we arrive at one of the most intriguing destinations for exploration, Jupiter's moon Europa. This icy world has long captivated scientists, and NASA's Europa Clipper mission is set to uncover its secrets. Europa is unique because beneath its frozen surface lies a vast global ocean, one that could hold more than twice the amount of water found on Earth. But what makes this ocean so special? It's not just the sheer volume of water, it's the possibility that this hidden ocean could harbor the ingredients necessary for life. The Europa Clipper mission is designed to investigate this possibility in unprecedented detail. Equipped with a suite of advanced instruments, the spacecraft will study Europa's icy shell, mapping its thickness and searching for signs of recent geological activity, such as plumes of water vapor erupting into space. These plumes could offer a direct window into the ocean below, allowing scientists to analyze its composition without even touching the surface. The mission will also measure the moon's magnetic field, providing clues about the ocean's salinity and depth. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Europa Clipper is its potential to answer one of humanity's most profound questions: could life exist beyond Earth? By studying the conditions within Europa's ocean, scientists hope to determine whether this distant moon has the right chemistry, energy sources, and stability to support living organisms. This mission isn't just about exploring a moon, it's about pushing the boundaries of what we know about life in the universe. As the Europa Clipper prepares to embark on its journey, we stand on the brink of discoveries that could redefine our place in the cosmos. Now, let's journey even farther into the solar system to Saturn's enigmatic moon, Titan. This world is unlike any other in our cosmic neighborhood, with rivers, lakes, and even rain, but not of water. Titan's surface is shaped by liquid methane and ethane, creating a landscape that feels both alien and strangely familiar. Enter NASA's Dragonfly mission, a groundbreaking endeavor that will send a drone-like spacecraft to explore this fascinating moon. Dragonfly is designed to hop across Titan's surface, landing in multiple locations to study its unique environment. What makes Titan so special is its rich chemistry. The moon is teeming with organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it. By analyzing these compounds, Dragonfly will investigate the processes that could lead to prebiotic chemistry, the chemical steps that might eventually give rise to life. This mission will also study Titan's atmosphere, weather patterns, and surface features, providing a comprehensive picture of this dynamic world. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Dragonfly is its ability to explore Titan's diverse terrain. From icy dunes to methane lakes, this spacecraft will uncover secrets hidden in every corner of the moon. By studying Titan, we're not just learning about a distant world, we're gaining insights into the conditions that might have existed on early Earth and how life could emerge in environments vastly different from our own. Dragonfly represents a bold leap in planetary exploration, blending cutting-edge technology with the timeless quest to understand our origins. As this mission prepares to take flight, we're reminded that the search for life and the mysteries of the cosmos are closer than ever before. Now, shifting our gaze from the organic, rich landscapes of Titan, we turn our attention to a mission that takes us to a completely different kind of celestial body, one made almost entirely of metal. The Psyche mission, led by NASA, is set to explore a unique asteroid named Psyche, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Unlike most asteroids, which are rocky or icy, Psyche is believed to be composed largely of iron and nickel, making it a metallic world unlike anything we've studied before. This asteroid is thought to be the exposed core of an early planetesimal, a building block of planets that never fully formed. By studying Psyche, scientists hope to uncover clues about the violent collisions and processes that shaped the early solar system, offering a rare glimpse into the formation of planetary cores, including Earth's own. The mission's spacecraft will carry advanced instruments to map the asteroid's surface, measure its magnetic field, and analyze its composition. These findings could revolutionize our understanding of how terrestrial planets like Earth, Mars, and Venus came to be. But the Psyche mission isn't just about looking back in time. It also has implications for the future. As humanity looks toward the stars, the idea of mining asteroids for valuable metals like iron, nickel, and even platinum becomes increasingly plausible. Psyche, with its metallic riches, could serve as a testbed for developing the technologies needed to extract resources from space. Imagine a future where asteroid mining fuels industries on Earth and beyond, reducing the need to deplete our planet's finite resources. The Psyche mission represents a bold step toward unlocking the secrets of our solar system's past while paving the way for a new era of space exploration and resource utilization. As we prepare to explore this metallic world, we're reminded that the cosmos holds not only answers to our origins but also the keys to our future. Now, as we venture further into the realm of planetary defense, we arrive at a mission that feels like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's very real. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, made history as the first mission to successfully alter the trajectory of an asteroid. Launched in November 2021, DART targeted a small moonlet named Dimorphos, which orbits a larger asteroid called Didymos. The goal, to test whether we could intentionally change the path of an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. And in September 2022, DART achieved exactly that, slamming into Dimorphos at over 14,000 miles per hour and shortening its orbit around Didymos by a significant margin. This groundbreaking success wasn't just a triumph of engineering, it was a giant leap for planetary defense. The implications are enormous. Imagine a future where a potentially hazardous asteroid is detected on a collision course with Earth. Thanks to missions like DART, we now have proof that we can nudge such an object off its path, potentially averting a catastrophic impact. But DART isn't just about saving the planet, it's also about understanding the mechanics of asteroids. The mission provided valuable data on how these celestial bodies respond to impacts, which will help refine future deflection strategies. And let's not forget the international collaboration involved. DART's success was supported by observations from telescopes around the world, and even a follow-up mission by the European Space Agency to study the aftermath of the impact. As we look to the future, DART serves as a reminder that humanity is no longer a passive observer of the cosmos. We're actively developing the tools to protect our planet, ensuring that we're prepared for whatever the universe throws our way. With missions like DART, we're not just exploring space, we're safeguarding our future in it. Now, shifting our gaze from the rocky realms of asteroids to the fiery mysteries of our neighboring planet, we arrive at the Veritas mission to Venus. Often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, Venus presents a stark contrast to our own world. While Earth thrives with life and temperate climates, Venus is a scorching, inhospitable planet with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and an atmosphere thick with sulfuric acid clouds. But why did Venus, once potentially Earth-like, transform into such a hellish environment? That's the question Veritas aims to answer. Scheduled for launch in the late 2020s, Veritas, short for Venus Emissivity, Radio Science, INSAR, Topography, and Spectroscopy, will be the first mission in decades to map Venus' surface in unprecedented detail. Using advanced radar and infrared imaging, Veritas will peer through the planet's dense atmosphere to reveal its geologic history. By studying Venus volcanoes, tectonic activity, and surface composition, scientists hope to uncover clues about how the planet evolved over time. Did Venus once have oceans? Was it ever habitable? And what caused its runaway greenhouse effect, turning it into the inferno we see today? These are the mysteries Veritas seeks to unravel. But the mission's findings won't just shed light on Venus, they'll also provide critical insights into Earth's future. Understanding how Venus lost its water and became a greenhouse nightmare could help us better predict and mitigate the effects of climate change on our own planet. In a way, Venus serves as a cautionary tale, a reminder of what could happen if Earth's delicate balance is disrupted. Veritas represents a bold step forward in planetary science, offering a chance to explore one of the most enigmatic worlds in our solar system. As we prepare to uncover the secrets of Venus, we're not just studying a distant planet, we're gaining a deeper understanding of our own. And with that knowledge, we can better protect and preserve the fragile oasis we call home. Next, we'll journey to the icy moons of Jupiter, where another mission is poised to uncover the potential for life in the most unexpected places. Now, let's turn our attention to the outer reaches of our solar system, where the European Space Agency's JUICE mission is set to explore one of the most intriguing destinations, Jupiter's icy moons. Known as the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, or JUICE, this mission is designed to study three of Jupiter's largest moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa, each of which holds secrets that could reshape our understanding of life beyond Earth. Jupiter's moons have long fascinated scientists, not just for their beauty but for what lies beneath their icy surfaces. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is believed to harbor a vast subsurface ocean, possibly containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Callisto, with its ancient cratered surface, may also hide a salty ocean beneath its icy crust. And then there's Europa, often considered one of the most promising places to search for life in our solar system. Its smooth, icy shell is thought to cover a global ocean that could be teeming with microbial life. The JUICE mission, scheduled to launch in the mid-2020s, will spend several years studying these moons in unprecedented detail. Equipped with a suite of advanced instruments, JUICE will map their surfaces, analyze their compositions, and probe the depths of their hidden oceans. One of its key objectives is to determine whether these subsurface oceans could support life. By studying the moon's magnetic fields, surface features, and interactions with Jupiter's powerful radiation, JUICE will provide critical insights into their habitability. But why focus on these icy worlds? The answer lies in their potential to host life. On Earth, life thrives in some of the most extreme environments, from deep-sea hydrothermal vents to frozen Antarctic lakes. If life can exist in such harsh conditions here, why not on Europa, Ganymede, or Callisto? The discovery of even microbial life on one of these moons would be a game-changer, proving that life is not unique to Earth and opening up new possibilities for where we might find it in the universe. As JUICE embarks on its journey to Jupiter, it carries with it the hopes of answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone? By unlocking the secrets of these icy moons, the mission could reveal not just the potential for life elsewhere in our solar system, but also clues about how life might arise in other star systems. Next, we'll take a closer look at another groundbreaking mission, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, and how it's set to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Shifting our gaze from the icy moons of Jupiter, we now turn to a mission that will peer into the farthest reaches of the cosmos. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, named in honor of NASA's first chief astronomer, is set to launch in the late 2020s, and it promises to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Unlike any telescope before it, Roman will focus on unraveling the mysteries of dark energy, discovering new exoplanets, and mapping the large-scale structure of the cosmos with unparalleled precision. What sets the Roman Space Telescope apart is its extraordinary wide-field imaging capability. While the James Webb Space Telescope excels at zooming in on distant galaxies and exoplanets with incredible detail, Roman will take a broader approach. It will capture vast swaths of the sky in a single image, allowing scientists to study the universe on a grand scale. This wide-field view will enable researchers to track the expansion of the universe, shedding light on the enigmatic force known as dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe and is driving its accelerated expansion. But that's not all. Roman will also play a crucial role in the search for exoplanets. Using a technique called microlensing, it will detect planets that are otherwise invisible to other telescopes, including those that orbit far from their stars or drift freely through space. This could lead to the discovery of thousands of new worlds, some of which might resemble Earth in size and composition. By studying these exoplanets, Roman will help us understand how common or rare planets like ours might be in the galaxy. Another exciting aspect of the Roman Space Telescope is how it complements the James Webb Space Telescope. While Webb provides detailed, close-up views of individual objects, Roman will offer a sweeping, panoramic perspective. Together, these two telescopes will give us a more complete picture of the universe, from the tiniest exoplanets to the largest cosmic structures. It's a partnership that will push the boundaries of what we know about space and our place within it. As we look ahead to the launch of the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, we can't help but wonder what secrets it will uncover. Will it reveal the true nature of dark energy? Will it find Earth-like worlds orbiting distant stars? One thing is certain: this mission has the potential to transform our understanding of the universe in ways we can only begin to imagine. Next, we'll explore the Lunar Gateway, a planned space station that will serve as a stepping stone for humanity's return to the Moon and beyond. Now, let's journey closer to home, but still far beyond our atmosphere, to the Lunar Gateway. This ambitious project represents humanity's next giant leap in space exploration. Unlike the International Space Station, which orbits Earth, the Lunar Gateway will be a space station in orbit around the Moon. Think of it as a cosmic pit stop, a hub where astronauts can live, work, and prepare for missions deeper into space. The Lunar Gateway is a cornerstone of NASA's Artemis Program, designed to support long-term lunar exploration and serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. It will provide a platform for scientific research, technology testing, and international collaboration. By establishing a permanent presence near the Moon, the Gateway will enable astronauts to conduct experiments in a unique environment far from Earth's protective magnetic field. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the effects of deep space on human health, as well as advancements in life support systems and other critical technologies. One of the most exciting aspects of the Lunar Gateway is its modular design. The station will be built piece by piece with contributions from NASA, the European Space Agency, the Canadian Space Agency, and other international partners. This collaborative approach not only shares the costs and expertise, but also strengthens global ties in space exploration. The Gateway will feature living quarters, laboratories, and docking ports for spacecraft, making it a versatile outpost for both crewed and robotic missions. The Gateway's location in lunar orbit is strategic. It will serve as a staging point for missions to the Moon's surface, allowing astronauts to descend to the lunar South Pole, where water ice has been discovered. This resource could be crucial for sustaining future lunar bases and even producing rocket fuel. Additionally, the Gateway will act as a testbed for technologies needed for longer missions, such as those to Mars. By practicing living and working in deep space, astronauts will gain invaluable experience that will pave the way for humanity's journey to the Red Planet. But the Lunar Gateway isn't just about science and exploration, it's also about inspiration. By building a space station around the Moon, we're signaling our commitment to a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth. It's a bold vision that reminds us of what we can achieve when we work together toward a common goal. As we look ahead to the construction and launch of the Lunar Gateway, we're reminded that the Moon is not the end goal, it's just the beginning. This orbiting outpost will be a launchpad for the next chapter of human exploration, taking us farther into the cosmos than ever before. Next, we'll turn our attention to Starlab, a private space station that aims to open up new opportunities for research and tourism in low Earth orbit. Now, shifting our gaze from the Moon to the bustling activity closer to Earth, let's explore Starlab, a groundbreaking private space station set to redefine how we use low Earth orbit. Unlike government-led projects, Starlab represents a new era of space exploration driven by commercial innovation and collaboration. This privately funded venture aims to create a versatile platform for research, manufacturing, and even space tourism, opening up opportunities that were once reserved for a select few. Starlab is designed to be a hub for both scientific discovery and commercial enterprise. Its modular architecture will host state-of-the-art laboratories, offering researchers from around the world the chance to conduct experiments in microgravity. From studying the effects of space on materials to advancing medical research, the possibilities are vast. But Starlab isn't just for scientists, it's also a gateway for private citizens. With plans to accommodate space tourists, this station could make the dream of experiencing space a reality for more people than ever before. One of the most exciting aspects of Starlab is its potential to democratize access to space. By lowering the barriers to entry, it allows smaller companies, universities, and even individuals to participate in space-based activities. This shift could spark a wave of innovation as new ideas and technologies emerge from a broader range of contributors. Imagine startups developing cutting-edge space technologies or artists creating zero-gravity installations. Starlab could make it all possible. The station's focus on sustainability is another key feature. Starlab is being designed with reusable systems and efficient resource management, ensuring it can operate for years to come. This approach not only reduces costs but also aligns with the growing emphasis on responsible space exploration. By prioritizing sustainability, Starlab sets an example for future commercial space ventures. Starlab also highlights the power of collaboration. While it's a private initiative, it's being developed with input from international partners, ensuring it meets the needs of a global audience. This spirit of cooperation mirrors the broader trend in space exploration, where public and private entities work together to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we look to the future, Starlab represents more than just a space station. It's a symbol of how space is becoming more accessible and inclusive. By fostering innovation and opening up new opportunities, it paves the way for a future where space is not just a frontier for exploration, but a place for everyone to explore, create, and thrive. Next, we'll venture even further into the cosmos with Breakthrough Starshot, a daring project that aims to send tiny spacecraft to our nearest star system, Alpha Centauri. Now, let's take a leap beyond our solar system and into the realm of interstellar exploration with Breakthrough Starshot, a visionary project that could redefine humanity's reach into the cosmos. This ambitious initiative aims to send tiny, lightweight spacecraft to Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to Earth, located approximately 4.37 light-years away. While that distance might seem insurmountable, Breakthrough Starshot is designed to tackle the immense challenges of interstellar travel with groundbreaking technology and bold innovation. The core idea behind Breakthrough Starshot is to use powerful ground-based lasers to propel a fleet of nanocraft tiny spacecraft weighing just a few grams to speeds of up to 20% the speed of light. At that velocity, these spacecraft could reach Alpha Centauri in just about 20 years, a journey that would take traditional spacecraft tens of thousands of years. Each nanocraft will be equipped with miniaturized cameras, sensors, and communication systems, allowing them to capture images and data from the star system and transmit them back to Earth. However, the challenges of such a mission are staggering. One of the biggest hurdles is developing the laser propulsion system itself. The lasers would need to be incredibly powerful, capable of generating a beam strong enough to accelerate the nanocraft to such high speeds without destroying them. Additionally, the nanocraft would need to withstand the intense radiation and micrometeoroid impacts they would encounter during their journey. Even the task of communicating across such vast distances poses a significant challenge, as the signals sent back to Earth would be incredibly weak by the time they arrive. Despite these obstacles, the potential rewards of breakthrough starshot are immense. Successfully reaching Alpha Centauri would provide humanity with its first close-up look at another star system, offering invaluable insights into its planet's environment and potential for life. The project could also pave the way for future interstellar missions, demonstrating that humanity is capable of exploring beyond the confines of our solar system. Breakthrough starshot is more than just a technological feat. It's a testament to human curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, this project could inspire a new era of interstellar exploration, bringing us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? Next, we'll turn our attention to Axiom Space Station, a commercial venture that aims to build on the legacy of the International Space Station and expand humanity's presence in low Earth orbit. Now, shifting our focus closer to home, let's explore the Axiom Space Station, a groundbreaking project that aims to take humanity's presence in low Earth orbit to the next level. As the International Space Station nears the end of its operational life, Axiom is stepping up to create a commercial space station that will not only continue the legacy of scientific research, but also open up new opportunities for manufacturing and space tourism. The Axiom Space Station is designed to be modular, meaning it can grow and adapt over time. The first module is planned to dock with the International Space Station, allowing it to benefit from existing infrastructure while gradually expanding into a fully independent station. This approach ensures a smooth transition from the International Space Station to Axiom's platform, minimizing disruptions to ongoing research and operations. One of the most exciting aspects of the Axiom Space Station is its focus on commercial activities. Unlike traditional government-led space missions, Axiom is paving the way for private companies and individuals to access space. This includes opportunities for advanced research in microgravity, which could lead to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, materials science, and biotechnology. Imagine developing new drugs or manufacturing ultra-strong materials in an environment where gravity doesn't interfere. These are just some of the possibilities Axiom could unlock. But it's not just about science and industry. Axiom is also set to revolutionize space tourism. The station will offer luxurious accommodations for private citizens, allowing them to experience life in orbit like never before. From breathtaking views of Earth to the unique sensation of weightlessness, Axiom promises to make space travel accessible to more people than ever before. This could mark the beginning of a new era where space isn't just for astronauts, but for anyone with a sense of adventure and a desire to explore. Of course, building and operating a commercial space station comes with its own set of challenges. From ensuring the safety of its occupants to managing the logistics of resupply missions, Axiom will need to overcome significant hurdles. However, the potential benefits ranging from scientific discoveries to economic growth make this endeavor a bold step forward for humanity's future in space. As we look ahead, the Axiom Space Station represents more than just a new chapter in space exploration. It's a symbol of how collaboration between governments and private companies can drive innovation and expand our horizons. With its focus on research, manufacturing, and tourism, Axiom is poised to become a cornerstone of humanity's presence in low Earth orbit. Next, we'll dive into NASA's Viper lunar rover mission, which aims to search for water ice at the Moon's south pole and pave the way for sustainable lunar exploration. Now, let's turn our attention to the Moon, where NASA's Viper lunar rover mission is set to make waves in the search for water ice. This ambitious project aims to explore the Moon's south pole, a region that has long fascinated scientists due to its permanently shadowed craters. These areas are believed to harbor significant deposits of water ice, a resource that could be a game-changer for future lunar exploration and beyond. The Viper rover, short for Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, is designed to map and analyze the distribution of water ice on the lunar surface. Equipped with advanced instruments, it will drill into the Moon's soil or regolith to collect samples and determine the concentration of water and other volatiles. This data will be crucial for understanding how much water is available and where it's located, information that could shape the future of lunar missions. Why is water ice so important? For starters, water is essential for human survival. If we can extract and purify water from the Moon's surface, it could provide drinking water for astronauts and support the growth of plants in lunar habitats. But the benefits don't stop there. Water can also be split into hydrogen and oxygen, which are key components of rocket fuel. This means that the Moon could serve as a refueling station for missions heading deeper into space, reducing the need to launch heavy fuel supplies from Earth. The discovery of water ice on the Moon could also pave the way for sustainable lunar bases. By utilizing local resources, we can reduce the cost and complexity of transporting materials from Earth, making long-term lunar habitation more feasible. This concept, known as in situ resource utilization, is a cornerstone of NASA's Artemis Program and future plans for Mars exploration. However, the Viper mission isn't without its challenges. The Moon's south pole is one of the most extreme environments in the solar system, with temperatures plummeting to hundreds of degrees below zero. The rover will need to navigate rugged terrain and operate in near-permanent darkness, relying on solar panels to power its systems during brief periods of sunlight. Despite these hurdles, the potential rewards make Viper a mission worth watching. As we look to the future, the Viper lunar rover represents a critical step in our journey to establish a sustainable presence on the Moon. By unlocking the secrets of lunar water ice, this mission could not only support human exploration, but also open the door to deeper space missions, bringing us closer to the stars. Next, we'll explore the osiris-rex mission, which successfully collected samples from asteroid Bennu and promises to reveal new insights into the early solar system. Now, shifting our gaze from the Moon to the depths of space, let's dive into the osiris-rex mission, a groundbreaking endeavor that brought us closer to understanding the building blocks of our solar system. This mission, which stands for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer, successfully collected samples from the near-Earth asteroid Bennu, marking a historic achievement in space exploration. Bennu, a carbon-rich asteroid, is like a time capsule from the early days of our solar system, over 4.5 billion years ago. By studying its composition, scientists hope to uncover clues about the formation of planets and the origins of organic molecules that may have seeded life on Earth. The osiris-rex spacecraft spent more than 2 years orbiting Bennu, meticulously mapping its surface and selecting the perfect spot to collect samples. In October 2020, it performed a daring touch and go maneuver, briefly landing on the asteroid to gather material before safely returning to orbit. The samples collected from Bennu are expected to provide unprecedented insights into the chemical and physical processes that shaped our solar system. Scientists believe that asteroids like Bennu may have delivered water and organic compounds to Earth billions of years ago, playing a crucial role in the emergence of life. By analyzing these samples, researchers can test this hypothesis and gain a deeper understanding of how life-sustaining ingredients might have arrived on our planet. But the mission's significance goes beyond the origins of life. Bennu is also classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid, with a small chance of impacting Earth in the late 22nd century. Studying its composition and trajectory helps scientists develop strategies to mitigate such threats, ensuring the safety of our planet. The data gathered by osiris-rex will inform future missions aimed at deflecting or redirecting asteroids, a critical aspect of planetary defense. As the osiris-rex spacecraft makes its journey back to Earth carrying its precious cargo, the scientific community eagerly awaits the opportunity to study these samples in detail. The mission represents a monumental step forward in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the solar system and our place within it. Next, we'll turn our attention to the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, a mission that's revolutionizing our search for planets beyond our solar system. Now, let's journey beyond our solar system to explore the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, a mission that's opening our eyes to the vast diversity of planets scattered across the galaxy. Launched in April 2018, TESS is designed to hunt for exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars beyond our Sun. Using a technique called the transit method, TESS detects tiny dips in a star's brightness caused by a planet passing in front of it. This method has already led to the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, ranging from rocky worlds to gas giants. One of TESS' most exciting achievements is its ability to identify planets within the habitable zones of their stars, regions where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Liquid water is a key ingredient for life as we know it, making these discoveries particularly thrilling. Among the many planets TESS has found, several stand out as prime candidates for further study. For example, TOI 700d, a rocky planet located about 100 light-years away, orbits within its star's habitable zone, sparking hope that it could host conditions suitable for life. But TESS isn't just about finding Earth-like planets. It's also uncovering a wide variety of exotic worlds, from scorching hot Jupiters to mini Neptunes with thick atmospheres. These discoveries are helping scientists piece together the puzzle of how planets form and evolve. By studying the diversity of exoplanets, researchers can better understand the processes that shape planetary systems, including our own. TESS observations are also paving the way for future missions. The data it collects helps identify the most promising targets for deeper investigation by next-generation telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. These follow-up studies could reveal the chemical compositions of exoplanet atmospheres, searching for signs of water, oxygen, or even potential biosignatures, hints of life beyond Earth. As TESS continues its mission, it's not just expanding our catalog of exoplanets, it's reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the cosmos? Next, we'll turn our attention to the Large UV Optical Infrared Surveyor, or LUVOIR, a proposed telescope that could take our exploration of exoplanets and the universe to unprecedented heights. Now, shifting our gaze to the future of space exploration, let's dive into the Large UV Optical Infrared Surveyor, or LUVOIR, a groundbreaking telescope concept that could redefine our understanding of the cosmos. Unlike any telescope before it, LUVOIR is designed to be a powerhouse of discovery, combining ultraviolet, optical, and infrared capabilities to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. This ambitious project, still in the planning stages, aims to tackle some of the most profound questions in astronomy, from the origins of galaxies to the search for life beyond Earth. One of LUVOIR's most exciting goals is its ability to study exoplanet atmospheres in unprecedented detail. By analyzing the light that passes through or reflects off these distant worlds, LUVOIR could identify the chemical fingerprints of gases like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. These gases could serve as potential biosignatures, indicators of life. Imagine the possibility of detecting signs of photosynthesis or even industrial activity on a planet light years away. LUVOIR advanced instruments would bring us closer than ever to answering the age-old question: Are we alone in the universe? But LUVOIR capabilities don't stop at exoplanets. This telescope would also revolutionize our understanding of the early universe. By observing the faintest and most distant galaxies, LUVOIR could shed light on how the first stars and galaxies formed, offering clues about the universe's infancy. Its infrared capabilities would allow it to peer through cosmic dust, revealing hidden structures and processes that have remained invisible to current telescopes. What sets LUVOIR apart is its sheer scale and precision. With a mirror potentially spanning up to 15 meters in diameter, more than twice the size of the James Webb Space Telescope, it would capture incredibly sharp and detailed images. This level of resolution would enable scientists to study not just the atmospheres of exoplanets, but also their surfaces, weather patterns, and even potential signs of habitability. While LUVOIR is still in the conceptual phase, its potential impact is undeniable. If realized, it could become one of the most transformative tools in the history of astronomy, opening new windows into the cosmos and bringing us closer to understanding our place within it. As we look ahead to the next generation of space exploration, LUVOIR stands as a beacon of what's possible when we dare to dream big. Next, we'll explore SpaceX's Starship, a revolutionary spacecraft that could take humanity to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Now, let's turn our attention to one of the most ambitious projects in modern space exploration, SpaceX's Starship. This fully reusable spacecraft is not just another rocket, it's a game-changer designed to carry humanity to the Moon, Mars, and even farther into the cosmos. With its sleek, futuristic design and groundbreaking engineering, Starship represents a bold leap forward in our quest to become a multi-planetary species. At its core, Starship is built for versatility. Unlike traditional spacecraft, which are often single-use, Starship is designed to be fully reusable, drastically reducing the cost of space travel. Imagine a world where launching into orbit is as routine as boarding a plane. That's the vision behind Starship. By reusing the same vehicle multiple times, SpaceX aims to make space exploration more sustainable and accessible, opening the door to large-scale missions that were once thought impossible. One of Starship's most exciting features is its sheer size and capacity. Standing at nearly 120 meters tall, it's one of the largest rockets ever built. Its massive payload capacity, capable of carrying up to 100 metric tons, means it could transport not just astronauts but also equipment, habitats, and even entire colonies to distant worlds. This makes Starship a key player in NASA's Artemis Program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there. But SpaceX's ambitions don't stop at the Moon. Starship is also being designed for missions to Mars, with the ultimate goal of enabling human settlement on the Red Planet. What truly sets Starship apart is its potential to revolutionize how we think about space travel. Its fully reusable design, combined with its ability to refuel in orbit, means it could serve as a kind of interplanetary ferry, shuttling people and cargo between Earth, the Moon, and Mars. This capability could pave the way for a new era of exploration, where humanity isn't confined to a single planet but can thrive across the solar system. Of course, challenges remain. Starship is still in the testing phase and its development has faced setbacks, but with each successful test flight, SpaceX moves closer to realizing its vision. If successful, Starship could transform space travel from a rare, expensive endeavor into a routine part of human life, unlocking opportunities for scientific discovery, economic growth, and even the survival of our species. As we look to the future, Starship stands as a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. It's not just a spacecraft, it's a promise of a new frontier where the stars are no longer out of reach. Next, we'll explore Blue Origin's orbital reef, a planned space station that aims to support commercial activities in low Earth orbit. Now, shifting our gaze from the vast ambitions of Starship, let's dive into another groundbreaking project that's set to redefine our presence in space, Blue Origin's orbital reef. This planned space station is not just another addition to the growing infrastructure in low Earth orbit. It's a visionary hub designed to support a wide range of commercial activities, from cutting-edge research to manufacturing and even space tourism. Orbital reef represents a bold step toward making space more accessible and economically viable. Unlike traditional space stations, which are primarily government-funded and focused on scientific research, Orbital Reef is being developed with a strong emphasis on commercial opportunities. Imagine a bustling space-based marketplace where businesses, researchers, and tourists can coexist, pushing the boundaries of what's possible beyond Earth. One of the most exciting aspects of Orbital Reef is its potential to revolutionize space-based research. With state-of-the-art facilities, it could host experiments in microgravity that are impossible to conduct on Earth, leading to breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, and even agriculture. For instance, researchers could study how cells behave in zero gravity, potentially unlocking new treatments for diseases, or develop advanced materials with unique properties that could transform industries back on Earth. But Orbital Reef isn't just about science, it's also a gateway to the future of space tourism. Blue Origin envisions a world where private citizens can visit the station, experiencing the awe-inspiring views of Earth from orbit and participating in activities like spacewalks or even attending events in a microgravity environment. This could open up a whole new industry, making space travel not just the domain of astronauts but an attainable dream for everyday people. Another key feature of Orbital Reef is its focus on manufacturing. In the unique environment of space, companies could produce goods that are either impossible or impractical to make on Earth. For example, the microgravity conditions could allow for the creation of ultra-pure crystals for electronics or fiber optics with unparalleled clarity. This could pave the way for a new era of space-based industry, where products made in orbit are shipped back to Earth, creating a thriving space economy. Of course, building and maintaining a space station like Orbital Reef comes with its own set of challenges, from ensuring the safety of its occupants to developing sustainable life support systems. There's still much work to be done. But with Blue Origin's expertise and the collaboration of industry partners, Orbital Reef has the potential to become a cornerstone of humanity's future in space. As we wrap up our exploration of these 20 groundbreaking missions, it's clear that projects like Orbital Reef are not just about reaching new frontiers, they're about creating a sustainable and vibrant future in space. Whether it's through research, tourism, or manufacturing, Orbital Reef is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the next chapter of our cosmic journey. As we bring our journey through these 20 groundbreaking space missions to a close, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe and excitement for what lies ahead. From the James Webb Space Telescope peering into the earliest moments of the universe to Blue Origin's Orbital Reef paving the way for a thriving space economy, each mission represents a bold step forward in our quest to explore and understand the cosmos. These projects are not just about scientific discovery, they're about redefining what's possible for humanity, both here on Earth and beyond. The Artemis Program aims to return humans to the Moon, setting the stage for future missions to Mars. The Mars Sample Return mission could unlock secrets about the red planet's past and its potential for life. Europa Clipper and Dragonfly will explore the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, searching for signs of habitability in their hidden oceans. Meanwhile, missions like Psyche and osiris-rex are unraveling the mysteries of asteroids, offering clues about the origins of our solar system. On the technological front, the DART mission has already proven that we can protect Earth from asteroid impacts, while projects like Starship and Breakthrough Starshot are pushing the boundaries of space travel, aiming to make interstellar exploration a reality. Telescopes like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and Louvre promise to revolutionize our understanding of dark energy, exoplanets, and the very fabric of the universe. And let's not forget the commercial side of space exploration. Stations like Starlab, Axiom, and Orbital Reef are transforming low Earth orbit into a hub for research, manufacturing, and tourism, making space more accessible than ever before. These missions are not just about reaching new frontiers, they're about building a sustainable future where space becomes an integral part of our daily lives. As we look to the stars, one thing is clear: the next few decades will be transformative. These missions have the potential to answer some of humanity's biggest questions, from whether we're alone in the universe to how we can thrive as a multi-planetary species. But this journey isn't just for scientists and engineers, it's for all of us. So what can you do? Stay curious, follow the progress of these missions, share your excitement with others, and dream big. The future of space exploration is being written right now, and you're part of it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on these incredible missions. Together, let's keep exploring, discovering, and reaching for the stars. The universe is waiting. What will we find next?